Hey guys, welcome back to the Machine Learning A to Z course. In this video, we're going on a walk through Africa. Hope you're pumped. Let's get started. This is Africa, and this is how people live here. Have a look around. Hopefully we'll see a couple of cool things. And while we're on this walk, I also wanted to use this opportunity to give you a heads up. Very soon, Udemy is going to ask you to leave a review for this course. Now, I know it can be difficult to judge the quality and value of a course this early on, but at the same time, the Udemy review system has simply changed, and they are asking you to leave a review earlier and earlier on in the course. Now, with that in mind, we're not going to ask you to leave a 5-star review for this course, but what I would like to ask is that if you're not yet familiar enough with the contents of the course to rate it a 5-star course, then please scroll through the tutorials. Please have a look at all the different topics that we cover. You'll see that we cover pretty much anything you can think of in the space of machine learning. We cover it from both the practical and the intuition side of things in R and in Python. We've got over 40 hours of content in this course and almost 300 tutorials. So hopefully once you see all of that, it will give you the confidence to rate this course a 5-star course. If on the other hand, you feel that something's wrong with the course, if you are unsatisfied about something, then please do let us know before you rate the course. You can contact the Super Data Science support team directly, or you can leave us a short message in the course Q&A. We will see your feedback. Your feedback is very valuable to us, and we will get back to you. Or we will fix up whatever the issue is and then get back to you. And hopefully that will give you the confidence to rate this course a 5-star course. Now, on that note, if something is wrong with the course, then please do let us know. But if you feel satisfied, if you feel that you're enjoying the tutorials, you're excited about learning machine learning and about all of this amazing journey that you have ahead of you, and you feel that this is indeed a 5-star course, then please do rate it appropriately so that other people in the world will also know that this is a 5-star course on machine learning. So there we go, guys. I'm very pumped about the journey that you have ahead of you. There's so many cool things that you're going to learn, so many different machine learning algorithms. Hope you are too. And I also hope you enjoyed this quick walk through Africa. I look forward to seeing you throughout the tutorials. And until next time, enjoy machine learning.